How to set up my Hume band. Complete beginner setup guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Hume band from start to finish, including charging it, connecting it to your phone, and making sure your health and activity data sync correctly. First, fully charge your Hume band before trying to pair it. Place the band on the supplied charging dock and connect the USB Type-C cable to a power source. During charging, the indicator light cycles through different colors, and when the battery is fully charged, the light becomes solid green. A complete charge typically takes around 1.5 hours. Next, download the Hume app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create a new Hume account, or sign in if you already have one. Now make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone and keep your Hume band close to your phone. If necessary, press and hold the side button to put the band into pairing mode. For new users, simply follow the setup wizard shown during the Hume app onboarding process. The app should automatically guide you through detecting and pairing your Hume band. If you're already a Hume user, open the Me section of the app, locate the Paired Device area, and choose the option to add or pair a new device. Select your Hume band when it appears and follow the instructions on screen. Here's one very important detail. Don't pair the Hume band manually through your phone's normal Bluetooth settings. Hume specifically instructs users to complete the pairing process through the Hume app itself. Once pairing is complete, wear the band securely so the sensors maintain consistent contact with your skin. When connected to your phone, the band can automatically sync its collected health and activity information with the Hume app. The band itself doesn't connect directly to Wi-Fi. It communicates with your smartphone using Bluetooth, and your phone handles internet synchronization. If the band isn't appearing during setup, first confirm that it has enough battery power, Bluetooth is enabled, and the band is close to your phone. Also check that the Hume app has the necessary Bluetooth or nearby device permissions on your smartphone. Here's a pro tip. After setup, open the Hume app regularly and allow the band to sync instead of leaving it disconnected for extended periods. Hume says the band can store approximately 30 days of data internally, but regular synchronization makes it easier to keep your information available in the app. And that's how to set up your Hume band. Charge it, install the Hume app, enable Bluetooth, pair the band from inside the app, and allow your data to synchronize. If you found this beginner setup guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which Hume band tutorial you'd like to see next.